Imagine hosting a retreat on a yacht. Magic unfolds when transformational experiences are enhanced by the power of the ocean. The 360 ocean view cultivates an expansive sense of infinite possibility. Life on a yacht transforms strangers into family, creating a unique bubble of deep connection, safety, and trust. Explore the natural beauty of stunning islands. Experience the rich culture of historical coastal towns, all while sleeping in the same room without having to repack or drive. The ocean amplifies our emotions, allowing us to move and release what's been holding us back. With our support, planning, hosting, and profiting from a retreat on a yacht is easy. Are you ready to bring your medicine to the water?